Are you a senior traveler looking for the best airlines travel tips, secret flight discounts for seniors, and insider advice to make your next trip smoother and more affordable? You're not alone. Nearly 70 million Americans over the age of 65 take to the skies every year, making seniors one of the fastest-growing groups of travelers. Whether you're planning to visit family, check off your bucket list destinations, or just enjoy a relaxing vacation, knowing the top senior travel secrets can save you money, time, and stress. Airlines are watching this trend closely. Behind the scenes, airline staff and flight crews are constantly tracking the needs and habits of senior travelers, searching for ways to boost profits and streamline operations. But here's the truth. Airlines aren't sharing all the best travel tips for seniors, and many flight discounts for seniors remain hidden unless you know exactly where to look. What airlines don't want you to know are the secret travel hacks and unadvertised senior travel discounts that can make your journey easier and cheaper. From exclusive flight discounts for seniors to special services and little-known perks, there's a world of benefits waiting for you if you know the right senior travel secrets and how to ask for them. In this video, we're revealing the top 10 senior travel secrets that airlines keep hidden. Discover how to unlock discounted fares, enjoy priority boarding, and access exclusive airline services designed just for seniors. Plus, get expert travel tips for seniors to make your flights safer, smoother, and more enjoyable from takeoff to landing. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and get ready to uncover the best airlines' senior travel secrets, travel tips for seniors, and flight discounts for seniors. Your next adventure could be easier and more affordable than you ever imagined. Are you searching for the best senior discounts on flights? Many airlines offer exclusive airline deals for seniors, but these travel savings are rarely advertised. If you're wondering how to get senior discounts on flights, you're not alone. Most travelers over 60 miss out on these hidden airline deals for seniors simply because they don't know where to look. Airlines keep these senior discounts under wraps, so it pays to be proactive and hunt for the best travel savings before booking your next trip. To unlock senior discounts, start by searching online for airline deals for seniors. Don't just check the main pages. Many airline websites have special sections for senior fares, often hidden under special offers or discounts. Use the website's search bar and look for keywords like senior discounts, senior fares, or travel savings for seniors. The more you explore, the better your chances of finding those exclusive airline deals for seniors. Sometimes the best senior discounts aren't even listed online. Call the airline's customer service and ask directly about airline deals for seniors or special travel savings for older travelers. Customer service agents can reveal unpublished senior discounts and guide you to the best ways to save. Don't forget to ask about extra perks like free checked bags or priority boarding, which are sometimes included with senior fares. When searching for how to get senior discounts on flights, always check the fine print. Some airlines require you to create an account or enter your birth date to access senior discounts. Others may only offer airline deals for seniors on certain routes or during specific times of the year. Sign up for airline newsletters, as these often include exclusive travel savings and senior discounts not available to the general public. Flexibility is key to maximizing your travel savings. Search for flights on different days of the week, or consider flying during off-peak hours. Many airlines offer their best senior discounts on less popular travel days, like Tuesdays or Wednesdays. If you can be flexible, you'll have a better chance of finding the biggest airline deals for seniors. Remember, discounted seats for seniors are limited and can sell out fast, especially during busy travel seasons. Booking early is the best way to secure senior discounts and get your preferred flights. Set up fare alerts or check back often to catch new airline deals for seniors as soon as they're released. With these tips on how to get senior discounts on flights, you can unlock hidden travel savings and enjoy more adventures for less. Next time you plan a trip, use these strategies to find the best airline deals for seniors and make your golden years even more rewarding with smart, affordable travel. If you're searching for the best time to fly for seniors, off-peak travel is your secret weapon. Choosing to travel during off-peak periods is one of the top senior travel tips for a smoother, more affordable journey. When you avoid peak travel times, airports are less crowded, lines are shorter, and your overall experience is much more enjoyable. Plus, off-peak travel often means cheap flights for seniors, as well as better deals on hotels and attractions. It's a smart way to stretch your travel budget and enjoy a peaceful trip. To get the most out of off-peak travel, avoid peak seasons like major holidays, summer vacations, and school breaks. These are the busiest times, with packed airports and higher prices. Instead, plan your trips during the shoulder seasons, spring and fall, when the weather is still great, but crowds are smaller. This is the best time to fly for seniors who want to save money and enjoy destinations in a more relaxed, authentic way. Here's a top senior travel tip. Book your flights for midweek days, especially Tuesdays and Wednesdays. These days usually have fewer travelers, so airlines offer cheap flights for seniors and other passengers to fill seats. You'll also find airports are quieter, making your journey smoother from start to finish. Flexibility is key for finding cheap flights for seniors. If you can be flexible with your travel dates and times, you'll have a much better chance of scoring the best deals. Use online tools and fare comparison websites to check different date combinations, and don't hesitate to adjust your plans by a day or two to save money. Airlines want to fill empty seats during slower travel periods, so they often release special promotions, last-minute deals, and reduced fares. By staying flexible and watching for these offers, you can take full advantage of off-peak travel and secure cheap flights for seniors. Ultimately, off-peak travel isn't just about saving money. It's about enjoying a more relaxed, comfortable, and rewarding experience. With fewer crowds, more attentive service, and the freedom to explore at your own pace, you'll return home with wonderful memories. Remember, the best time to fly for seniors is during off-peak periods. Follow these senior travel tips to make your next adventure unforgettable. Did you know airline loyalty programs offer exclusive travel rewards for seniors? You don't have to be a senior frequent flyer to benefit. These programs are packed with perks just for older travelers. Many airlines provide accelerated points, bonus miles, and special senior frequent flyer benefits to help you earn airline miles faster. These travel rewards for seniors can include free flights, seat upgrades, and priority boarding, making your journey more comfortable. Plus, you can score discounts on hotels and travel insurance just by using your airline loyalty program. Some programs even offer dedicated support lines for seniors, so help is always just a call away. If you're wondering how to earn airline miles as a senior, remember, even occasional travelers can rack up valuable rewards and enjoy a smoother, more rewarding trip. Want to know the top seat selection secrets airlines don't want seniors to discover? Here's how to find the best seats for seniors and use airline seat hacks for a more comfortable flight. Airlines often reserve extra legroom and front row seats for seniors or those with special needs, but these best seats for seniors aren't always shown online. If you want to know how to choose airline seats, simply call or chat with a gate agent for hidden options. Mention you're a senior traveler and ask about available seating upgrades. This is one of the smartest airline seat hacks for seniors. You'll be surprised how often you can score the best seats for seniors, especially on less crowded flights. Don't miss out on these seat selection secrets. Did you know that early boarding for seniors is one of the best-kept secrets in the airline boarding process for seniors? Many airlines offer priority boarding tips specifically for older travelers, but it's not always advertised. To find out how seniors can board early, ask a gate agent or check your boarding pass for early boarding for seniors details. Taking advantage of early boarding for seniors lets you settle in, secure your carry-on, and avoid the rush, making the airline boarding process for seniors much smoother. Don't hesitate to request this perk. Airlines are usually happy to help seniors with priority boarding tips and assistance. Remember, a little extra time through early boarding for seniors can make your entire airline boarding process much more comfortable and stress-free. Wondering why seniors need travel insurance? Standard travel insurance often doesn't provide enough protection for older travelers. That's why it's crucial to look for the best insurance for senior travelers, with policies tailored to your unique needs. The right senior travel coverage includes pre-existing condition waivers, higher medical limits, and emergency medical evacuation, key features in travel insurance for seniors. Senior travel insurance also protects against trip cancellations or delays caused by health issues. Peace of mind is priceless. Choosing the best insurance for senior travelers means you're covered before you go. Make sure your senior travel coverage is in place before your next adventure. With the right travel insurance for seniors, you can focus on enjoying your trip, not worrying about the unexpected. That's why seniors need travel insurance. If you're searching for assistance services for seniors or wondering how to get assistance at the airport, you're not alone. Airports can be overwhelming, but Airport Help for Seniors is available to make your journey smoother. Special services for elderly travelers, like wheelchair help, electric carts, and escort services, are often free or low cost. Just ask your airline or airport ahead of time to secure these airport assistance services for seniors. To get the best airport help for seniors, contact your airline or airport in advance and request the special services for elderly travelers you need. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance. Airport staff are trained to provide assistance services for seniors and ensure your travel experience is comfortable and stress-free. Did you know the best credit cards for senior travelers offer exclusive credit card perks for seniors like waived foreign transaction fees, premium travel insurance, and airport lounge access? Many travel rewards credit cards are designed with senior travel benefits in mind, providing extra rewards and valuable perks tailored for older travelers. Use your travel rewards credit card to earn points for flights, seat upgrades, and hotel stays, just by booking your trips. Review your current card. Upgrading to the best credit cards for senior travelers could mean huge savings and more comfort on every journey. Maximize your senior travel benefits. Travel smarter, earn more rewards, and enjoy every trip with the right credit card perks for seniors. Navigating dietary needs on flights can be challenging, especially for seniors. But did you know airlines offer special meals for seniors with dietary restrictions? Airline food options include vegetarian, gluten-free, and low-sodium meals, perfect for seniors with specific dietary needs on flights. Here's how to request special meals on airlines. Use the airline's website, app, or call customer service at least 24 hours before your flight to specify your dietary requirements. The more details you provide about your dietary needs on flights, the better your special meal for seniors will match your preferences. Planning ahead ensures you enjoy the best airline food options and a comfortable in-flight dining experience tailored to your needs. Before booking your next flight, it's crucial to understand airline policies for seniors. Senior travel regulations, including cancellation, change, and refund rules, can impact your trip, so always check what seniors need to know before flying. Carefully read the fine print on airline rules for elderly travelers. Fees, restrictions, and special senior travel policies can vary widely between airlines. If you need to change your travel plans due to illness or emergencies, be prepared with proper documentation. Many senior travel regulations require proof for flexibility. Don't hesitate to negotiate with airline staff. Airline policies for seniors often include special accommodations, especially for loyal or elderly travelers. Knowing airline rules for elderly travelers empowers you to advocate for your rights and enjoy a stress-free journey. Congratulations! You've just unlocked your ultimate senior travel toolkit, packed with essential travel tips for seniors, must-have items for senior travel, and expert packing tips for senior travelers. Use these senior travel toolkit secrets to travel smarter, save money, and make every journey unforgettable. Have your own essential travel tips for seniors or must-have items for senior travel. Share them in the comments below and help fellow travelers. Subscribe for more senior travel toolkit advice, packing tips for senior travelers, and insider secrets every senior globetrotter should know.